Women grow facial hair. Oh, what's up, guys? My name is Kash Arroyo, and today we are talking about PCOS symptoms. And first one on the list is hirsutism. Let's talk hirsutism, also known as facial hair. What's up, guys? My name is Kash Arroyo, aka That Girl with PCOS. I am a PCOS specialist and advocate, and I hope that you guys can follow me on here, subscribe, and check out my work on TikTok as well. Now that we've gotten that out the way, there are a lot of symptoms that come with PCOS. So first things first, let's get this out the way. Nothing that I say is an absolute. Take everything based off what you are going through and how you live your day-to-day life, but do not compare yourself to me or anyone else who may be dealing with PCOS because symptoms vary from person to person. Hirsutism, also known as unwanted hair in unwanted places. Of course, as a woman, nobody wants facial hair. I mean, there might be a woman out there who do want facial hair, but for the majority, we do not want facial hair. Facial hair can make a lot of women insecure about themselves and so forth. And with that, we try anything and almost everything to get rid of the facial hair. Am I right? Yeah. Hirsutism happens when we have an excess amount of testosterone in our body. Now, testosterone, androgens, these are male hormones. Now, wait. Before you feel crazy about having male hormones in your body, just know every woman has male hormones. It is natural. But when you have a lot of male hormones, then that's when you start to see a lot of male symptoms, male acne, male hair, balding, thinning of the hair. It just really is dependent on you and what you're going through and what your symptoms are. With hirsutism, you are seeing facial hair, chest hair, maybe excessive hair on other places. But for the most part, today I am going to touch on the facial portion of the hair because I am going to align it with me and how I deal with my facial hair. I've tried several things, and there are several things that you can try, like drinking spearmint tea, hair inhibitor, which stops the hair from growing back from the actual root. You can use a laser, waxing, shaving, threading. There's so many things that you can do. You just want to make sure that you find the best thing for you. There are things that we can do in our day-to-day life to make our symptoms lessen. Having a lot of testosterone in your body can come from pretty much anywhere. It could come from high stress levels, from your gut, from not working out correctly. You can also just be a Caribbean woman and you just got facial hair. You know what I'm saying? I use a big razor. Now for me, I love a big razor. You can get this at the Dollar Tree. You can get this at Target. They come in packs. I've been using these for about 10 years. I'm a dry shaver, which means my face is not super sensitive to this. I've been doing this for so long and I don't get any reactions. This is super quick, super easy. If I feel like there's hair on my face, I don't have time to laser, wax, or thread, I can go ahead and shave the hair off my face for the time being. This seems to work for a lot of women. And like I said, don't compare yourselves to anyone because what might work for me may not work for you. Next up, you can go to actual places to get your hair lasered off your face. They have these amazing machines now that can laser the hair on your face and get rid of that hair and start to work with you in different sessions to fully get the hair off your face. I have seen some wonderful results from people that I know and people that I don't know. I use Ulike. This is an at-home IPL device and it has different settings. It has fast, slow, medium, and SHR mode, which is what they use in actual salons to get the facial hair out of the root and so that it can stop growing for your face. I love this. This is cold technology. It does not hurt, it does not burn, and it does not irritate my skin or my face. Something else that you can use is a hair reducing fade oil. It's a hair inhibitor. This is used primarily for after the wax and after the laser because once you pull that hair straight out, that follicle straight out of its root, you want to go ahead and add some of this to that area so that it can seep into your skin and get down into that foundation and basically close it off, right? And it's this oily spearmint. It smells so good. And this little bottle packs a mean punch. This is from Umber by Jay Lene. I have been using this for about 3 to 4 years now. Also 10 out of 10. And then of course you can do things like threading, waxing, whatever feels good to you and brings you back to your power of security and getting rid of that facial hair. Now, of course, you also want to make sure that you are eating healthier. It's not a competition about who's eating the healthiest, but just eliminating some things from your everyday to day menu, or even lessening the stress that you have in your life, because stress can also play a huge part in what's happening. Maybe adding in some yoga, going for a 30-minute walk after your meals, taking things to help your body calm down and just really relax, especially if you're someone who suffers with ADHD or just constant overload or overwork. Maybe you're a mom with kids, maybe you're someone who works a very fast paced job. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're doing a low impact workout. It is the less stressful one for your heart, and it has amazing benefits, and it really does work for women with PCOS. If you are a girly who has PCOS and you're dealing with hirsutism, I hope that this video finds you, and I hope that it makes you feel good knowing that you're not alone. There are other people out here who are going through the same thing, and there is some light at the end of the tunnel. This is not something that you have to deal with forever, and there are solutions for you. Again, thank you guys so much. My name is Kash Arroyo, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video or podcast. Bye.